another episode of the Al-Sarat College Community News Report for 2022. Today is Friday, 10th of June 2022. I'm Jannah Dacre reporting for the Al-Sarat College Newsroom here in Epping, Victoria. Winter is here and welcome to another episode of the Al-Sarat College Community News Report. Al-Sarat College continues to be packed with a host of events the past 2 weeks involving both the primary and secondary students. We recently had a flag lowering event in the commemoration of National Sorry Day. National Sorry Day remembers and acknowledges the mistreatment of Aboriginals and Torres Strait Islanders who were forcibly removed from their homes and communities. We speak to some secondary students who were present and asked them about their thoughts on National Sorry Day.
So the National Sorry Day was held as acknowledgement for the Aboriginals and the Torres Strait Islanders as a sign of respect and commemoration for them due to the horrible massacre that occurred to them and the genocide.
Can you tell us more about how you felt being there at the event?
It was a very respectful ceremony, it was nice, it was calm, and it was a very peaceful environment, and it allowed me to acknowledge the horrible occurrences that happened to them.
How do you think you can create more awareness about Aboriginal culture and history in the school?
There can be more events and more public speaking ceremonies, allowing the Aboriginals to share their stories and share their experiences in a safe space where they're not faced with judgment and etc.
Thank you.
Last week, the 5 and 6 students just had their annual camp experience. The students spent 3 days at Camp Kookaburra, engaging in several outdoor activities and learning how teamwork makes the dream work. We speak to a few students who were more than happy to share with us their experience at the camp.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Shafika and I'm here with
Tasneem.
Which camp did you go to?
We went to Camp Kookaburra.
What was your favourite part?
When we went bush hiking and I could see all the stars.
Learning how to canoe.
When we went bush hiking and I could see all the stars.
We learned how to the importance of bringing bug spray to camp because there was a lot of earwigs and bugs.
Well, the camp experience was pretty good. I liked the activities. Flying fox was nice. And the canoeing we didn't get to do. A lot of people didn't get to do it because of the weather.
I liked learning how to canoe.
It was great. It was my first time. It was a little tough, but it was fine, yeah.
All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy, and our Al-Sarat students are definitely not dull boys and girls because they play hard when it comes to sports. The college is actively involved in various sporting events within the community. We have student representatives in cross country and in various school sport Victoria SSV competitions. We talked to Mr. Sala and some of the students that are involved in these competitions and learn more about their journey and their achievements.
Assalamu alaikum. So we had our school fundraiser this year. And alhamdulillah, our school fundraised $4,437 in total. We did have our highest fundraising student of school, which I have with me right now. Would you like to tell the school what your name is?
Hamza Yasal.
MashaAllah. And you like to share how much money you fundraised for our school this year?
Yeah.
How much did you raise?
I think I have to check. $600.
$600. So mashallah, he has been awarded a certificate as well as his medal. Would you like to show the medal to the camera? There you go. So he's also got some prizes coming his way as well. So all students that fundraise this year for the school fun run will be getting their prizes next week. So thank you again to Hamza. Also, grade 2D's class. I'm going to call out the teacher now to have a few words because their class fundraised over $640, which most of it was from this young man here. So well done. As we mentioned, this is a grade 2D's class, Miss Sajda's class, as well as Mr. Net. We have our highest fundraising student as well as the highest fundraising class, which is grade 2D. Miss Sajda, what would you like to say for your class because they were the highest fundraising class in the whole school from F to 6?
I'd just like to say I am incredibly proud of all of you all. You have done an amazing job raising money for the school, and I'm sure these funds will go to a lot of exciting sport equipment that we can use for the rest of the year and for years to come. So thank you so much, 2D. You have done an amazing job.
Well done. Takbir. Allahu Akbar. Takbir.
Allahu Akbar.
Takbir.
Allahu Akbar.
All right, well done. Great 2D. Congratulations again. Give yourselves a clap. Well done. Thank you.
Our Year 10 students gave our teachers a wonderful treat this week when they prepared a spread for the teachers. As part of their food check lesson, the students were taught how to prepare a spread, and the teachers were the lucky ones to get a taste of the treats. Let's find out more from the students. The secondary school students were involved in a workshop designed to prepare them for the future. Several students were involved in a public speaking workshop to help them build their confidence in speaking to a group of people. We meet some students as they share their experience about the session with others.
Assalamu alaikum, my name's Yasmin and here I have
Naziha.
And Naziha, how did you find part 1 of the public workshop?
I think public speaking is such an integral part of leadership, but it's also the most intimidating part. So I found it to be an enriching experience. And as a Year 12 student, I found it particularly helpful because oral presentations are such a huge part of the VCE course. And so, yeah, I'm glad I was part of it.
Thank you.
I found it extremely helpful in refining my skills as a public speaker. And public speaking is such an important part of leadership, and you need in so many careers going forward. So I think having such a diverse age range all there and being given that opportunity to learn a skill like this was just really great and really helpful.
The college is still running the Eid Al-Adha Toy Drive, and we're still looking for your kind donations to help us with our cause. For more updates of the many events organized by the school, please refer to the Al-Sirat College online newsletter for updates and information on these events and more. That wraps up our news report for today. Thank you for joining us here at the Al-Sirat College Newsroom. I'm Jannah Dacre. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.